14 million Malawians use basic phones, only 1 million have smartphones, says MACRA chief. The head of MACRA, Dawood Suleiman, stated that out of the 14 million phones being used in the country, 13 million are feature phones. Suleiman made this statement at the DLGF Leadership Conference being held at the Bingu International Convention Center in Lilongwe, where the country's president, Lazarus Chakwera, and his deputy, Michael Usi, were also present. The MACRA head emphasized the importance of increasing the number of people with smartphones so that more people can access the internet. He also mentioned that it is necessary for students in public schools like Kiwoko in Lilongwe to be adequately taught modern methods of communication and accessing information on the internet, just as students in expensive schools like Bishop Mackenzie are. Additionally, there are some Malawians who, as soon as the day breaks, spend their time insulting others on social media. They continuously use offensive language to the extent that if someone were to Google Malawi, they might think the country is at war, yet it is a peaceful nation, said Suleiman.